Our tale is called The Magic Typewriter. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived three inseparable friends, Gökçe, Zeynep, and Isa. Every day after school, the three girls would climb up to the attic of an old library, where they dreamed, imagined, and wrote stories together. One day, hidden among the dusty shelves, they discovered an old wooden box. Inside was a vintage typewriter with shiny blue keys. Curiously, they examined it. Jokingly, Isa said, "I wish everything we wrote could come true." Gökçe pressed a few keys and typed, "Three girlfriends travel to an island floating in the sky." At that exact moment, the library window creaked open. A bright light filled the room, and suddenly they found themselves on a floating island above the clouds. The sky island was beautiful, but something was wrong. In the middle of the island stood a giant ice crystal, and inside it was a trapped dragon. Zeynep saw the sadness in the dragon's eyes and felt he was not dangerous at all. They quickly typed into the typewriter, "The dragon wakes up kindly and shows the girls around the island." The dragon came to life and was freed. He showed them magical flowers, talking birds, and wonders beyond imagination. When it was time to say goodbye, he gave them a small feather and said, "Use this in your darkest moment." Back in the library, the girls were eager for a new adventure. Asa typed, "The three girls enter a forest where all sounds have vanished." Suddenly they were in a silent forest. No birds sang, no wind blew, there was not a single sound. In the heart of the forest they found a small crying boy named Tunu. His voice had been stolen. The girls used the dragon's feather. It shimmered, floated into the air, and brought all the sounds back. The forest filled with bird songs and whispering trees. In gratitude, Tunu gave them a magical stone and said, "This will help you listen to your heart." For their final journey, Gökçe typed, "The three girls arrive in a city where time has frozen." In the city, everything was still. A seagull was frozen mid-air. Water drops hung motionless. Time had stopped, but no one knew why. By listening to their hearts, the girls found the way. They climbed the clock tower in the center of the city. There they met an old timekeeper. He told them, "Time is frozen because people forgot how to dream." The girls brought out the typewriter and typed, "Everyone in the city begins to dream again." Time started to flow. The city came alive. The timekeeper smiled and said, "Those who dream move time forward. Never stop writing, never stop dreaming." The girls returned to the library one last time. They placed the magical box back where they had found it, but they left a note behind. "This typewriter belongs to those who dare to dream. Now it's your turn." And the story ends here. Or maybe someone else finds the box, presses a key, and a new adventure begins.